It's your boy Al. Y'all tune back in with them Jennings boys, man. This bitch hard right here. Best. They got that Tiffany's in there.
I know we had, my boy.
What's going on, fam? It's your boy Al. Y'all tune back in with them Jennings boys, man, and we back with another video for y'all, man. Make sure y'all stop what y'all doing with the subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, man. Like this video. We're gonna keep running these numbers on up, man. It's Cinco de Mayo, so we outside, man. We in the C8, heading up to one of these little taco spots over here in Arena District, downtown Columbus. So we heading over here to grab something to eat real quick. And then we're going to be going to the convention center to go to the Slammedenuff Fest or whatever it is, car show. It was yesterday and today, so we're going to catch it today, see what kind of cars they got in there and stuff. Zabos told me about it, so I'm pretty sure they got a booth in there, so we're going to go check them out, see what they got going on in there, y'all, and see what else we can get into today. So make sure y'all stay tuned. And like I said, if y'all ain't already subscribed to the channel, man, make sure y'all subscribe. We'll be getting car content today. I know y'all loving the trucking content. I got so much trucking content on the way, y'all. So much stuff we're gonna be doing. Different things we're gonna be doing. The trucks. I got a few more trucks we're looking at buying. So if y'all interested in them trucking videos, man, make sure y'all stay tuned in on those. Keep bringing y'all this free game. Shit, we done made it down here they steady building this all up. I remember this used to be a parking lot over here. Used to be a club right here called End Zone. That's gone. Used to be a club called Dahlia right here. They done knocked that down. They done got rid of all the clubs. They trying to turn it around down here. This used to be BBR. They done got rid of that. Look. BBR gone, so they transforming. Brother's still there though. Brother's still there. The patio used to be on the other end. That's gone now. I think that's a hotel now. They done turned it into. So yeah, they redoing this whole little area down here by the convention center. This used to rock, y'all. When I first moved to Columbus down here, he was going out nightlife. They used to be jumping down here. We don't jump nearly half as hard as it used to, but it used to be lit down here. Back 2013, 2014, man. Used to be turned down here. Porsche right there, that was nasty. I don't know if Kyle was pointing at something or not, but I went straight. Yeah, what they building right here? A market ready. Yeah, they building this up too. This used to be a parking lot too. I said, forget these parking lots. We're about to build this stuff up. Parking lots ain't making enough money. We got the convention center right here. And then here go the taco spot right here. Thought it would be. Tried to find a spot on the street, y'all. We couldn't find no street parking, so we just parked over here real quick. Kyle was trying to get us to park in some abandoned lot and get us towed. Boy, he just don't know we downtown Columbus, boy.
Ain't open. Ain't nobody over there.
Shit, them tow trucks open.
Let's just play it safe.
All right. Alright, y'all, we got a picture right here. We getting things started right. Shot. Working on this video for y'all. Getting this video uploaded for y'all.
Single day
Y'all see where we at. Is that what it's called?
Single day drink.
Y'all, we done made it to the inside of the little show. I done got caught busted. He don't know how to act. Look.
Okay, you walked into some shit.
He done got drunk at the sink with the mic. Look.
Good looking now.
He don't know how to act.
I did. You like it?
I'm like, hold on. Let us have this. Alright, guys.
We're
Alright.
I have to.
What's the motto on this one? GT? Crazy. That interior, crazy. Damn. Alright, so we up here at the Slam Fest. I don't know why I keep want to call it the Show Enough Fest. They got that Tiffany's in there. Nasty. Royce is there. I think that Lamborghini there. Yeah, what else? What's that? This bitch hard right here. They still want too much money for these. They still want too much money for these.
Usually go for like almost 200,000, right?
Right. I don't know now.
They more like
You probably get one for like 150. But getting the one you want is the hard part. If I can't find no white one with all red. And then my wheels won't even fit on here right. The offset different, I guess. It's wider, yeah. That's gonna be broke down on the side of the road, cuz. They got 2-car Harleys right here too. I wonder what they've been hollering at these car Harleys. They got all kind of. They got that big ass enclosed. That's what I want. That big boy enclosed. That's what put them inside it. Yeah. Keep your car out the elements. You feel me? These ain't shit but Beamers though. You feel me? These ain't shit but Beamers. Everything on this same as a Beamer. Yeah. Little flare though.